If you're not evolving, you're doing something wrong.
Alright, y'all, so it's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness, and I'm here back at it again with another video for the channel. So I have one video uploaded in a couple hours, and then this video will probably be uploaded later on tonight. So I'm doing Uber Eats, and I'm gonna show y'all the portfolio on the day. I'm gonna title this video like Uber Eats carrier turned investor, right? Or something like that, like from Uber Eats carrier to stock market investor. I don't know. But the reason why I want to create this video is because number one, just to keep on, keeping y'all updated with the portfolio and just like letting y'all see like a positive, journey when it comes down to creating wealth. And then number two, bro, just like giving y'all advice on y'all own journey, because if I could do it, especially with the income that I make doing Uber Eats, which is not a lot, y'all could do it too. You feel me? Another reason why is because I have to continue to alchemize this energy. As you can see, I'm about to get on the bus. So I got to continue to use this energy to my advantage and keep making the best of it. You feel me? So make sure I give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below, and let's keep growing and evolving and elevating. See y'all later. Alright, y'all, so I'm on my way to this drop off now. So a couple things I want to talk about. So the first thing is, I didn't let y'all know, but I actually got offered another like position for the USPS. So could I have to reapply like I told y'all before. So yesterday they ended up sending me an email, so I reapplied for the position. The next step is me taking the driver's like class again, and then I got to do the driver's course again. So this time I definitely have to pass it for sure, and just make this happen. You feel me? And then number two, bro, like I tell you all the time, like you got to learn how to make like short-term sacrifices so that you can learn how to see the bigger picture. Sometimes people don't want to delay their gratification and they just want everything right now. But what the stock market has been teaching me is just how to learn how to delay my gratification, along with me being on my retention journey, you feel me? And just learning how to like be strategic, with my journey. Be strategic and work on the grind. You know what I'm saying? Because like I tell y'all, bro, like when you're making money, you have to really learn how to put it to work. Money is not just made or created for you to just like spend it on things, or spend it on things that's gonna bring you like a temporary like happiness or temporary dopamine, whatever. Like you gotta learn how to manage what you have and like think about your future self for real, And these things wasn't taught to me, bro. Like I literally be teaching myself this every day. So it's just a day in and day out journey, and really like embracing it. You feel me? So I'm about to go through this drop off right across the street. But yeah, man, like if you're gonna be in the stock market, or if you're gonna start your trading journey or whatever, you gotta think long term. You have to be willing to do the work, and you can't be so eager to quit. Just especially when you're not seeing quick results. Like none of this stuff on this planet was built overnight. Like everything came over time. For me, that's the same way you gotta think of investing or trading. You know what I'm saying? So just some words of advice. So I'm about to do a pickup from CVS, a shop and pay order right quick. Another thing I wanted to talk to you about too, as far as like trading and investing. So you gotta learn how to keep it like thorough and real with yourself, right? And you have to learn that like all these jobs in this economy and stuff like that, bro. Like when I be telling y'all, like they don't care about us, they don't care about how people feel, you know, this and the third. They only care about, you know, the profits that the companies make. Look at the Empire State Building, yeah? Come on. See it? But they only care about the profits that the companies make, bro. That's another reason why, like, you have to get on your journey with trading or investing. Real talk. And of course, like, you always gonna need capital. So, like, what shifted my mindset was like not thinking like just an employee, right? Because you have to learn how to like manage your money, right? Focus on making more money, which is the most important aspect, you know? And just like learning that in order for me to let this money grow, whatever amount of money you're willing to put in the markets, you got to be patient with yourself. You feel me? Like, if you're not patient, and if you just want everything right now, you know, or if you just only using your money to give it to other people, and you're not really paying yourself first, then you just leaving yourself out, and you just working for free. Like, realistically, bro, like, if you just working your job to just get by, or you're working your job just to take care of necessities, and then you're just forgetting about you, the most important person in the world, it makes it whack. But if you learn how to embrace your job and say fuck it, like sometimes you gotta just say fuck it, bro. Like, if these jobs ain't about to pay me more wage wise, then I gotta find a way. Put that money in the markets, bro. Like, especially if you don't run a business too. Like, that's another thing. Like, some people, they'll tell you, oh, create a business, go run a business. But then you gotta remember too, with a business, people have to purchase your product. People have to purchase what it is that you're selling to them. You know? So just the only thing is, like I tell y'all, bro, like, put that money in the market and keep on cultivating, bro. Keep on cultivating, keep on setting aside money, because the more the money is working for you, the more that things start to make sense. Real talk.
Well, if you have your extra care card, place your item in the bagging area.
So I just dropped off that Shop and Pay order, and now I'm on my way to go pick up Sweet Green and drop this food off. So, alright, let's get it done. So I just finished doing another drop off. That was number 7 on the day. And of course, Uber does this dumb stuff where they take you off the app. So I'm scheduled for 4 p.m. So dinner rush. So once I'm back on the app, come back and talk to y'all more about the stock market and just give y'all more advice. So they let me back on the app. I'm about to pick up from this place right here and go drop this food off. So I did 8 deliveries so far, and I'm about to do a quick Shop and Pay again just to get one item and drop this one off. So I will also share the portfolio on the day. Bro, the S&P 500, it cracked 6,000, right? The SPY is close to, well, same thing, S&P 500, same thing. It's about to be close to 600. And Tesla is going bananas, bro. Tesla is, I told y'all this a while ago to get y'all some Tesla. Bro, at this point, bro, I need people to start putting respect on my name, because I just be trying to help y'all out just like I be trying to help myself out. Now, if you got you some Tesla, you doing good. If you didn't get you some Tesla stock, I don't know what you're thinking. I be careful. But we go get this Shop and Pay out the way, and I see y'all. So I just finished that Shop and Pay. They ended up sending me an add-on. So that customer got like 6 items, give or take. So I'm about to get these two drop offs done right now. And like I said before, I'll speak to y'all once I finish. So I did 10 deliveries so far. The stock market about to close. And I got another shopping pay that I'm about to go drop off. So after this one, that's going to be 11. The portfolio did good today. Once again, I told y'all about Tesla. Amazon definitely been crushing it. Walmart, low key. Walmart is a sleeper. If you into the stock market, you should do your research on Walmart. Also too, if y'all haven't yet, make sure y'all tuned into the video that I posted earlier today. I really would appreciate that. I'm really trying to keep my foot on the gas with this YouTube journey. You feel me? And just like stay consistent and stay resilient. Even if y'all see me like vulnerable or like not in the best of moods, it's just me being, you know, authentic and just bringing out raw content. You know what I'm saying? I want to say thank you to anybody that's been rocking out with this YouTube channel. If you are a new supporter and you want to help me grow, you can subscribe. If you're a returning supporter, I thank you. Shout out to the entire SR community as well. Everybody that's on their NoFap journey. And everybody that's in the stock market. You feel me? Real talk. So, I'm about to go do this drop off. I'm going to end the video here. I appreciate y'all for rocking out with me once again. I'm more than likely to post this video. Oh, it's Saturday. Today's Friday. So, yeah, I'm more than likely to post this video on Saturday so that I have some content for the channel. But I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for rocking out with me. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Please make sure y'all order some assets, bro. Please make sure y'all order some assets. Crazy. Ain't no way around it. You gotta make it work. It has to work or it has to work. That's it. Alright? Thank you. Appreciate you.